Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to the SHIB update today, and we're doing in something really great. And I want to show you what SHIB has recently done, which is so good, so bullish. Okay, and I'm going to expand this a little bit. So if you take the neckline and I draw the neckline right over here, we have SHIB that has already broken about this little bit of a pattern right now. You can call it a double bottom, but it almost looks as if this was an ascending triangle for SHIB over here. Okay, so if we actually treat this little bit of thing as an ascending triangle right there, then we have SHIB that may move from top to bottom, and you could be looking at a technical target that is coming up all the way to 3,269. So we're actually moving all the way up to maybe for another 26% push is in for SHIB, hopefully in the next coming few days. And yes, I still remember, I'm always going to say this, I'm here to kill the zero. We're going to kill the zero. If you're new, make sure you're following me for the experience. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Office.